Hello everyone, this is Ozil. So welcome back to my channel. Today class is Ecm repairing class 7 in English. So in this video we have discussed about how to travel check light and how to come to cluster meter check light. So how is the circuit in this Ecm? This Ecm is denso installed in the Maruti Suzuki Ecm Euro-3. So now we will start how to trace out this check light. You can say MIL also, check also, MIL or check, malfunction. It means MIL means malfunction light. Okay, and how ignition come inside and how check light ground travel from this transistor. So as you see here is a board and this is the transistor. Here I have drawn here, and here is the diode and another diode is here, and this is the resistance. So only these components are used to ground output for check light. Negative output from Ecm to meter for check light. So here we have ignition. So here we have C55 ignition. Here is a 12 voltage ignition. When we turn on the ignition, on that time 12 voltage ignition come inside the board and goes to this and this diode cathode goes to this transistor, this resistance, as you see here. This resistance, one side of this resistance and another side of this resistance goes to transistor pin number 1. And so when 12 voltage come inside and goes to the transistor pin number 1, on that time these transistors produce ground from this ground to this through the diode to pin number C50, pin number 6. So how is work? So transistor is a transistor work like an amplifier and switching also. We can use for switching and amplifying also. So here, as you see here, this is this transistor used here for amplifying. This is also for amplifying, and this used for switching. Here this transistor is used for switching, used for main relay also, fuel pump relay out, ground out. This is used for fuel pump relay, ground and K line communication. K line communication is also in this IC. So now we will trace out this board. So we have multimeter set to the continuity and our pin number 1 2 3. Our 3 is a ignition. When we turn on the ignition, 12 voltage come here. After that, anode side of this diode and cathode side of this diode connect to the one side of resistance, and another side of resistance connect to the pin number 1 of transistor. And this transistor pin number 3 of this transistor connected to ground, as you see here, ground. So when this pin get 12 voltage, on that time this ground voltage go through this cathode to anode and pin number 2. This is pin number 2. So this is the very simple, and this also used for the main relay, as you see, also used for the main relay. I know this is also used for main relay. Here you can see there is a sound here. So this is also for the main relay and check lamp. So this is the working. Get knowledge from this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys all are well. So thank you. Thanks for watching.